In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put 1099K into TurboTax. If you received a 1099K and you're entering it manually in TurboTax, this walkthrough will help you do it clearly and correctly. Before you begin, it's a good idea to have your 1099K form open in front of you so you can copy each detail exactly as it appears. Start by going to the top menu in TurboTax and hovering over Income. This opens the section where different types of earnings and tax forms are organized. From there, click on Digital Payments. That's the area TurboTax uses for forms like the 1099K, which usually report payments processed through payment apps, marketplaces, or third-party settlement networks. Once you're in the Digital Payments section, click Add a 1099K. This tells TurboTax that you want to enter a new form. On the next screen, choose Type It in Myself. This option is useful when you want to manually enter the information directly from the paper or digital copy of your tax form. Next, TurboTax will ask which type of income your 1099K is for. Read the available choices carefully, then select the one that best matches your situation. This part matters because TurboTax uses your selection to determine how the income should be handled in the return. After you choose the correct option, click Continue to move on. Now you'll begin entering the actual details from the form. First, type in who issued the form. This is the payer or company name shown on your 1099K. After that, enter the filer's federal ID number exactly as it appears on the form. Be careful here, since even a small typo can cause problems later. Next, enter the amount from box 1A. This is a key number on the form, so make sure you copy it accurately. After that, continue filling in the remaining fields shown on the screen using the information from your 1099K. Take your time and compare each entry against the form as you go. That extra moment of checking can help prevent mistakes and reduce the chance of needing corrections later. When you've finished entering all the required information, click Continue. At that point, TurboTax will move you forward based on the information you entered and the income type you selected earlier. And that's how to put a 1099K into TurboTax. As a final tip, always review the completed entry once more before moving on, just to make sure every field matches your form exactly.